Hey guys, Alex here. Today we're playing Just Cause 2 again. And I have no idea where we are. And of course, when it's dark, my screen turns blue. Just tell you that. So right now we're gonna get in this car, and I'm gonna show you something amazing. So first of all, can you see me? Okay. Yeah, my screen gets dark. I'll just tell you that. I remember when it kept turning blue as a rock crawler. Yeah, that's the only reason why. But now, just when my screen turns dark, it turns blue. So I'll just tell you that. So now you know. And right now I'm gonna do a challenge. I did it. If you guys want to, check out Austin the Boss Face 04. He's cool. He's pretty cool. He only has one video though. I'm trying to get him to. Yeah. Okay. Wait! Oh no! Don't die. I'm gonna do this mission because I think I'm getting money. I'll get money for it. I'll get money for this mission. Exercise faster plane. And if you see something, you see like a curtain moving, it's just my cat. It's my cat Sophie. Aw, is this Sophie cat? Oh no! No, I missed it. I'm gonna fail then. Is it raining? I don't know. I think it's raining. Where is it? Where's the checkpoint? Oh, there it is! Woo! Hey, ole! Okay. Let's do this. Woo! And, hey, is that the highway? Hey! Dun, 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 dun. Woo! Dun, 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 dun. 3 more. And 1, 2 more. Oh gosh. 2. My last one. And woo! Yeah, with 56 seconds, I got $2 million. Woo! Now we're going to fly all the way to the airport. She's right there. Okay. Well, I guess as we're flying, my screen's not turning as blue anymore, is it? But is the water red? Okay, this time, this isn't my fault. The water's actually red. I'm gonna fly upside down. Trust me, I've done it before. What the heck? Oh, there's another plane. Look, collision. Or collision. What? English. I'm gonna try to land it. It's an airport. Why not land it? It's supposed to do that. That's what airports are for. Hey, oh, wait, I'm gonna drive it over here. I'm gonna land it. You wanna get on? Have fun. Get on. Hopefully nobody wants to land here, cause. Oh, come on! There's no reversing planes. That sucks. Woo! Ole! Hey, hey, hey! Going to steal a plane. Ooh. I've actually never searched around there. This place. Never really searched it. Apparently I shouldn't come over here. Okay. Oh, hey, helicopter. 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 Go! And we're off. They're like jets or something. See ya, suckers! Sayonara, suckers! Okay, I want to go fly to the city. Oh, actually. Wait, no. Hey, hey. Okay, no, checkpoint over there. Okay, see ya. Well. Ooh. There's my helicopter. Oh, wait, no. Oh, dang it. Wait, I'm gonna see it. Yeah. Did you see that? Wait. Hey. No, reel in. Whoa. But apparently I can't. There. Already. Good. Up there. Okay. Watching up there. Watching. Wait, and watch it to there. Oh gosh. Don't stop believing. Oh gosh. Okay, I gotta stop believing. I just like latch onto that and then look it to that. It sucks. I say, don't stop believing. Oh my gosh, this looks so awesome, yeah. Oh, what? Wrong way. Okay. I need some gas. What are you shooting? It's not shooting necessary. Just give me some gas. You take my car, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Thought. Choppy. Stop talking to yourself. You okay, babe? Oh crap, whoa. Oh, it's turning dark again, so my screen's gonna turn blue. Get ready. I need a new phone, to be honest. Woo! Look out, dude. Wait, if you make me just do a whole circle. Oh crap. Well, now my car's tore up. Right. Well, I guess while I'm here. There we go. And see ya, suckers! Suckers! Ow! Move it! Oh! Hop on the tire. I didn't do anything! Ah, why? Why you gotta be so rude? Ow! Okay, I did something. Woo! Hey, I'm out! Boom! Okay, get in it. Go. Go forward. Bam! Right? Bam. Yeah, we'll bam it. Bam! No, we'll bam with this. Why not? Okay. We're gonna do a bam. We're gonna do a bam. Oh, no. It didn't work out. And we'll bam with a bamming car. Okay, grab this. Get that. I died! No! Dang it! Oh, why? So, we died. I guess we'll just go do another mission like that one time. Don't stop believing. Oh my gosh, there's somebody shooting at me. Okay, what? Oh, I don't want to swim, but. Do I still have a move on it? Wait, I can just. No. So I don't need this. Will it still float? No. Oh my gosh, it's still floating. Oh my gosh, what is that? I want that. I want it. Nope. Give me that. Let's see it. He jumped out. We have a boat collision. Boat collision! Yeah! Oh my gosh! I'm doing a wheelie! Wheelie boating. Wheelie boating. Let's go wheelie boating. Boat collision! Woo! Whoopsies! Died. That was not supposed to happen. I got a twin gun. That's fine. No, it's not. Wait, what? No, what? What? I want to continue the game. Not quit the game. I have my eyes closed. So guys, I guess what we're going to do is do some a little bit more of Just Cause 2. Call the black market dealer and then go to a city. Yeah, that's good, right? Extraction. Type any spot. A new mission. I've done that. Well, you can't go to mission. Come on. I'm gonna go here. I own all this. See though the red? I don't know that. This other team owns all this. The Euler boys own all this. So, Young Cattle. Military base. Cape Carnival. Oh. Oh yeah, I finished that. Okay. Okay, wait, it says Luton Llama Desert. I know where I want to go. No. Civilian City. All my knee high is gone. The peach drink is really good. You should guys get it. It's called Knee High. Knee High. Knee High. Knee High. I'm here! I think. Plus, good luck. Thanks for the luck, dude. I could have died if I kept going. Stop it. Stop it. Let's go. You see me? Oh gosh, yes, Nemo. Woo. Hey, no, lady. Oh my gosh. Baby, there's no limit. Solid. Drifting my nose. I'm a drifting master. I can drift anything. Really, come. What is it, boss? I'm drifting. What did I do? Oh. I didn't do anything. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're gonna be so rude. Wait! Oh, I did nothing. All I did nothing. Yeah. I just gonna have to. Oh my gosh, there's people guarding the thing out. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah, baby. Beep beep doo. Let's just get up here. Find a limo? Oh, is that a limo? Oh crap, no. Crap, no. Go. Oh, dang it, it despawned. I'm gonna have to just sit here and wait for a car. Hey, gas car. Never mind. Fast car. All I did was fly. Oh, probably. I'm not even close to that thing though. See you later. Chinese! Woo! Hey, oh. Woo! Off-roading. Oh, okay, can I have that? Thanks. Woo! Thank you. Thank you, sir, for your kindness. Woo! Such a poor man. Oh gosh. Mustard. Oh. Landed it. Success. Whoops. Excuse me, can I borrow your car, sir? Thank you. Okay, as soon as I get to the city, I'm gonna end this video. Oh, looks like a good stopping point up here. Wait! Hey! Okay! Oh, and I'm going. You see me rolling. You see me rolling. Ding, beep, beep. Yeah. So fast. Fast and furious. Fast and furious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Listen to all the sounds. Whoa, hey, and that's a moped. Oh, sorry. Did you want to go through? Too bad. Oh, sorry. Is that a limo? It is. Take this truck. Looks pretty nice. Oh, not really fast. Use it, I'll get caught, so. Crap. Fire! See ya, sucker! Okay, well, apparently we're gonna end this video now, and see ya!